Okay, so we're going to do exercise 8B, question 4 as an example of reducing balance loans. Okay, so Jubilani borrowed $7,500. Okay, and will be charged compound interest at the rate of 3.8% per annum. So let's just write a bit of information down. P equals 7,500. 3.8% per annum, compounded quarterly. Okay, two payments of $300, so R equals 300 for payment number 1 and 2, and R equals, and then double this amount for the next 3 payments. So doubling 300 is 600 for payments number 3, 4 and 5. It's asking us to construct a repayment schedule to determine the balance of Jubilani's loan after 5 repayments. Okay, so I've already done setting up the table. Let's put in 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 payments. Okay. We know the balance of the loan when nothing's been paid off, no interest has been charged, is $7,500. So there's been no repayment, no interest, no reduction in the principal. The loan balance is still $7,500. We need to work out I. I equals the 3.8, turn it into a decimal, divide it by dividing it by 100, and it's quarterly, so we have to divide it by 100 times 4. And we get 0.0095. Okay, so the repayment amount for the first 2 is 300, 300, and then remember it went to 600. Okay, the question is asking us for the balance of the loan after 5 repayments. So it's actually going to be this amount here. We've got to fill in our table until we get to those 5 for that 5th, after the 5th repayment. So firstly, let's work out the amount of interest that is going to be paid. So it's the 0.0095 times the 7,500, and that is 71.25. Now this is a loan, so the principal reduction is we need to take that 71.25 away from the 300. So the loan reduction, principal reduction here in this case is going to be 228.75. So therefore the balance of the loan is this taken away from the 7,500. Which gives us 7271.25. Okay, so then we just repeat the steps. So again, we're working out the interest on the balance of the loan. Multiply that balance by 0.0095, which is 69.08. We need to take that away from the 300. Gives us $230.92, and then we need to take that away from the balance of the loan. Which gives us 7040.33. Okay. Now, the interest calculation is going to be the same for the next 3 steps, but we're going to be looking at repayment amounts of the 600. So we've got this balance, we need to work out the interest that needs to be paid on the balance of the loan. $66.88. This time we're taking it away from 600 and we're going to get 533 and 12, and then we need to take that away from this balance here, which gives us 6,507 and 21. Again, work out the interest. Remember, it's recurrence relation, so there's a lot of repeating of stuff. 61.82, taking that away from the repayment amount. 538.18, and then taking that away from the last balance of the loan. $596,903, and we're now up to our 5th instalment. Find the interest. It's now down to $56.71. Take that away from the 600. Gives me 543.29, and then take the principal reduction away from the last balance, which is going to give me 5,425.74. So the question is asking me to construct the repayment schedule to determine the balance, so therefore I can answer the question. The balance of the loan after 5 repayments is $5,425.74.